Today, we will discuss about power and social influence. Can someone tell me what is power?
Power is the capacity to change the beliefs, attitudes or behaviors of others.
What about social influence? There are two views, right?
Yes. Normative influence and information influence. The first one is when people change to meet expectations and acceptance by others, and the second is when people change based on informations accepted by others and from others.
That sounds interesting. And I also would like to know how conformity and obedience influence people's behavior.
Individuals in a group are influenced by the information provided by the group or by the group pressure, and also obedience occurs by the influence of the leader.
This is really interesting.
And you know about the different bases of a power? There are two types in a group organization: personal or soft, and positional or harsh power. Can someone tell about those?
This type of power derives from individuals' characteristics or personality and includes expert, referent, and information power. Also, this one is based on an individual's formal position in an organization and includes legitimate, reward and coercive power.
Okay, that's great. Now we already know about the types of power. How does for us decide which influence tactics use?
Different status in a group determine which tactics are used. For example, traditional leaders often use pressure and legitimizing tactics to influence subordinates, while subordinates often use rational argument, personal appeals, and ingratiation to influence leaders. How does having power change the power holder?
Power is rewarding, so people with power often want more of it. It has corrupting influence. Unequal power changes the way the leader treats other team members.
Okay, but how does unequal power affect team interactions?
Unequal power is often caused by status differences, which have an impact on team communication. Unequal status can be positive and negative. Anyone know why?
Can be positive because in some cases, such as factory teams, unequal status can help resolve conflicts. It helps the leader to manage and coordinate decisions to resolve the conflict. On the other hand, can be negative in professional teams because it may lead to move conflicts caused by feelings of inequality and also by increasing internal competition.
Anyone know what makes a minority influential?
Minorities become influential because they stick with their positions. A consistent minority can make the majority think about its position.
In a workplace we also have empowerment, which is the process of giving employees more power and control over their work. That means empowerment is the notion of teamwork. When an organization tried to empower teams, they found some resistance from managers and supervisors. Managers often empower teams under their supervisors, but they are responsible for how the team performs.
Also, not all supervisors believes that empowerment is good for them because they are concerned about loss of status and lack of support from upper management.
And about the three power styles: passive, aggressive and assertive.
The passive style is polite and deferential. A person using passive approach tries to avoid problems by not taking a stand or unclear about his position. The person desire be liked.
Aggressive style is forceful, critical and negative. The person act forcefully in all situations, and people on the receiving end of aggressive style feel resentment, act defensively.
The assertive style uses clear and confident communication. The assertive person takes a direct problem-solving approach to conflicts and problem solution. To finish up our meeting today, teams are more productive when their communication is assertive. Thank you all. Have a good week.